Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your Google account name or how you can change Gmail account name. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Gmail app. After opening the Gmail app, you just have to find an option which is manage your Google account. Okay, so firstly go to top right corner and click on the your profile icon. After clicking on that, here is the option manage your Google account. You just have to tap on it and click on personal info and just scroll down and click on name. After clicking on that, just click on the first name and click on the pen icon. Now you can change your Google account name whatever you want. And keep in mind that you can only change only 3 times in 90 days. So there is a limit and you should always remember that. Now go back. If you are not finding manage your Google account option in this way, then don't worry about it. I am going to tell you another way. Whenever you open Gmail app, so click on top left corner menu button to expand the menu. Now just scroll down and click on settings. After clicking on settings, now you have to choose your Google account which you want to change the name. Now here is the option manage your Google account. You just have to click on it. Now click on personal info. Now here is the name and same it is. Click on pen icon and change your name whatever you want. That's here for today. I hope you would like it. So do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.